In this video, we will show you how to submit a maintenance request. From the CSB SJU homepage, go to Student Life and then Residential Life. Click on the Learn More tab and then scroll down and click the Maintenance Request tab on the right hand of the screen. Once you get to the form, enter your CSB SJU email as a username. For a password, if it is your first time using the form, enter new user and it will prompt you to change your password. Otherwise, enter the password that you've already created. Once you are in the form, you will be prompted to fill out your location, area, and room number, as well as a description of your maintenance request. Now, we will go over some common maintenance requests. A general maintenance request is appropriate if your blinds are broken, your door won't close, or your windows are jammed. Select lighting if one of your light bulbs is out or your lights are dim. Select electrical if your lights are flickering or one of your outlets won't work. Be sure to describe your problem as accurately as possible to assure that you get the correct help in step 4. Lastly, enter the submittal password SAINT and then you can submit your request.